Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another interesting session where we would be talking about something very specific to AI retargeting. Now, remarketing or retargeting, as we all know, is basically creeping people out. People click on your ads and they don't convert. Either they add your product to the cart, they don't convert, they exit your page, and then you keep haunting them until they go ahead and purchase in raw terms. That's exactly what retargeting does. But with AI, things have been able to get a lot better where we don't have to be very creepy, and we would come across ways that we can go ahead and customize things in a way that makes the customers feel, or your potential leads feel, that you value their privacy, you value their time, and also you value their feelings by providing or customizing or personalizing things like they would need. So what we will be looking at now is we would look at the streamlined process of how AI can help go ahead and redesign your approach to remarketing. When you're talking about paid ads, of course, when we speak about remarketing, and what does AI bring to the table is the first thing that we would be looking at. But before that, step 0 is to go ahead and understand how AI remarketing is even different from the traditional remarketing. Now, we have been doing this for a while. We have understood remarketing through ages. First, it started with Google ads, then we looked at Meta ads, then we looked at Instagram. The traditional remarketing is different from AI remarketing in just ways that AI marketing can leverage the data better, can predict the data better, can form patterns better, can look at data from other sources, and it can go ahead and do a certain set of things on the fly, which means it can go ahead and create dynamic ads for you. It can go ahead and look at your product catalog when it comes to e-commerce ads. It can look at your product catalog ads, and it can customize different ads to different segments. So all in all is what we will be looking at in terms of what AI can bring to remarketing. And let's get started without any delay. And on your screens, ladies and gentlemen, you see the traditional process or the typical process of how AI can go ahead and change things for you, right? Now, if you look at data collection, that's where it all begins. Now, without data, there is no remarketing. Basically, remarketing is going ahead and showcasing your data, you're showcasing your ads in a meaningful way to the data that you have collected. Now, this data can be collected from Google Analytics, your CRM data like HubSpot. It can also go ahead and include other platforms like AdRoll, where all your data is at one place and it gets analyzed. Now, Google Analytics 4 is something that you can go ahead and safely assume is a viable way to do that. Now, AdRoll Pixel, Google Analytics, and Hotjar Analytics also can be very, very useful to understand what is happening. Now, once you have this data, the second thing that you need to be doing is you need to go ahead and analyze the behaviors. Behavioral analytics plays a crucial role in redesigning what ads people may like. So how do you do your behavior analysis? Again, you have Hotjar recordings, and then you have reports or segments that AdRoll churns out based upon certain parameters. Now you validate that using your Hotjar and metrics or heat maps to go ahead and see if there is somebody coming to your website, and if he is looking at your shipping and if he's dropping off. Now AdRoll will go ahead and look at identify potentially shipping charges is what is making these guys drop off. Now, at that stage, what could typically happen is you can validate that hypothesis by looking at the metrics from Hotjar, if the shipping charges, sorry. Now, what you need to be doing is you need to classify these segments, all the metrics collected, and your AdRoll will go ahead and divide them into different segments in terms of cart abandoners, people who are window shoppers. It can go ahead and high bounce rates, bounced categories, whatever. It can go ahead and categorize these people into different buckets or into segments. These segments are dynamically created, and AI is going to help them get segmented. Now, once you have these segments, what you need to be doing is you need to go ahead and not send one piece of creative to hundreds of these people in the segment like we used to do in traditional way. What you need to be doing is you need to go ahead and customize your ads in such a way that each ad appeals to each user based upon his behavior in the past. Now, how are you going to bring two parts of the equation onto the same plane? How do you go ahead and identify the segment? And how do you go ahead and identify the creative? How do you merge both to show the person the product that he dropped off at? But how do you introduce an offer here? That is where two very, very smart tools come into play. One is called as Smartly. The other one is called Creatopy. Now, based upon these segments, what these tools are going to do is they go ahead and show relevant product ads based off the product catalog that you can upload, which is your product feed. It can take data from product feed and churn out quickly on the fly dynamic ads based upon across different formats or whatever your requirement is. And these personalized ads are going to be shown to people who are a part of a particular segment. Now you have identified a group of people with shared behaviors, which is the segment. Now to that segment, you're able to dynamically create an ad. And how do you do that? Is you are doing it by personalizing, by showing the exact product catalog that he or she dropped off at. Now that is where it gets interesting, and the real-time optimization and the dynamic process of creating these ads is what is very, very interesting. If you really want to know more about this, or if you want to know what happens with an example use case, please do let me know, and then I will get that for you. I will get that done for you. So I hope this session helps you, and that's what AI brings to the table when it comes to the new age remarketing that's powered by AI. That's all from me today. See you. My name is Casey. Until next time, ciao.